What's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv, and I gotta tell you something. I feel like I am like the undisputed king of quick cooking meals, and I've got one for you tonight that you're going to absolutely love. It is my brown sugar Asian shrimp, and it's so easy to do. You're gonna be doing it all the time. The thing about this dish that I love is that the rice on the bottom is a caramelized scallion rice that is really good. So, first of all, I've got a bunch of scallions that I'm gonna chop down and get them sauteed so we can get those delicious flavors released. On the stove, I got a pan getting nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a little bit of oil, and all those scallions gonna go right in here. We started to release some of the flavor out of the scallions. I'm gonna take my rice and add the rice right into this flavor oil, and we'll give this a good stir. This way the rice can start to toast up and absorb all that lovely flavor. And then the thing I love about this recipe is I'm gonna put a little bit of chicken bouillon in, and then we have instant chicken stock. All right, so while the rice is cooking up, let's go ahead and make the sauce that is gonna go on the shrimp, and it's gonna be really good. All right, the first thing I'll have is a little bit of tarragon vinegar. Got a little bit of mirin, which is like a rice wine that we're gonna put in here. It's really good. Shallot oil. If you don't have shallot oil, a little bit of regular oil with like some onion powder, that'll do the trick as well. All right, I've got some dark soy sauce, some regular soy sauce, a couple of shakes of that. All right, and then what makes this taste so well is brown sugar. I'm just going to throw the juice of this lime right in here. All right, so then we'll get in here and we'll give this a stir to combine. All right, and then we'll go ahead and we'll saute off all of our veggies that we have and get them ready to go for the shrimp and the sauce. So you know you can hear the crackling of the pot happening with the rice. That just means the liquid has been absorbed and it's all out of there, it's all evaporated, but the rice is not done. So we put a lid on at this point and we'll let it just hang out right there. And in like 10 minutes, we'll fluff it. It will have a perfect pot of rice every single time. So first of all, we're gonna saute up some veggies. I got some onion and some bell pepper that I'm just gonna toss right in here. So after the veggies saute for just a little bit, then we're gonna go ahead and add in the shrimp. And then, here's our sauce with the brown sugar. Might as well go ahead and throw that in so everybody's nice and happy. All right, give that a quick stir. And let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. Rice has been cooking and steeping for that lovely 10 minutes. And, oh, look at that. Here's what we have. So you just take a fork, get in here, you can fluff it up, and now you've got perfect rice with this caramelized scallions every single time. Speaking of perfect every single time, so is this brown sugar Asian shrimp that we have. Look at that. It's saucy. That doesn't look half bad. Okay, look at this. Takeout at home faster if you can take out the menu to order, okay? Let me give it a try. Let's get in some of this rice and the vegetables and the sauce. Listen, this thing is sweet and tangy and tart all at the same time. Got a little bit of lime juice. Oh, real good. It was good. And the rice is cooked perfectly. and the vegetables don't caramelize. I mean, listen, it's really good. Okay, you can't get this down. #1 chop suey, not like this. You got to give it a try. I'll make sure the recipe is posted at DariusCooks.tv. Listen, there's 2 things I got to tell you. I always do. Food is my life. Life is my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you a happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.